We'll guide you through how to turn off autoplay on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and if you don't want videos to autoplay, we're going to guide you through how you can go ahead and turn this off. Now, there are different ways in which autoplay can happen on YouTube. You may find that videos autoplay while you're browsing through the feed, or it may happen when a video comes to an end. We're going to guide you through how you can turn off both of these options, or just either one of them. So to get started in the YouTube app, press your profile icon in the bottom right. Next, you need to go to the top right, and there you can see the gear or settings icon, which you can tap on like this. Now, you want to scroll down to the video and audio preferences and find the option for playback. At the top, you can see the option for autoplay next video, which you can switch off. Then you can also go down to playback in feeds and tap on it. From there, you can set that option to off as well. That's it. Now videos will no longer automatically play. Of course, you can always turn the autoplay option back on again in the future if you want to.